Combined MPG, 23. City MPG, 19. Highway MPG, 30. Starting MSRP, $26,995. Standard with the Challenger SXT comes hands-free Bluetooth connectivity, 8-speed automatic transmission, power adjustable driver seat, keyless entry, and more. What the reviewers say, Edmunds.com pointed out the spacious seating and storage space as positives, as well as its drivability on the highway, but knocked it for handling and acceleration. Combined MPG, 23. City MPG, 20. Highway MPG, 30. Starting MSRP, $26,305. The 2017 Camaro 1LT comes standard with 6-speed manual transmission, turbo engine, Sirius XM capability, and OnStar guidance plan. Good for 6 months. What the reviewers say, Edmunds.com gave a mixed review, noting the smooth ride quality on the highway and in town, good value, with lots of standard equipment. However, it also faulted the car for having small cargo space and not enough passenger room. Combined MPG, 24. City MPG, 20. Highway MPG, 30. Starting MSRP, $52,600. Take note that to get the lowest MSRP, which is still pricey, you have to get the base model with manual transmission. Still, for a Porsche, getting 24 combined MPG might be a nice way to pay yourself back for dropping so much money on one of the best cars. What the reviewers say, Kelley Blue Book highlighted the 2016 Porsche's mid-engine versus a front-engine handling and style as top-notch, especially for the price. Combined MPG, 26. City MPG, 23. Highway MPG, 30. Starting MSRP, $43,500. The 2017 Audi TT comes with all-wheel drive and standard automatic transmission. Other fun and useful features include Sirius XM radio and Bluetooth capability, plus a rear-view backup camera. Note that the gas mileage figures are for the 2016 Audi TT, the most recent available data. What the reviewers say, in a review of the 2016 model, Edmunds.com liked the engine's power, stylish interior, and technology. On the downside, the site said the car lacks adequate seating and cargo space. Combined MPG, 26. City MPG, 22. Highway MPG, 34. Starting MSRP, $49,700. For $49,700, you get a sporty two-door BMW Z4 with S-Drive 28i base trim that gets 26 combined mpg, as well as automatic transmission, power adjustable seats and universal garage door opener. What the reviewers say, Edmunds.com knocked the BMW Z4 for its high price tag, but otherwise had many great things to say about its engine power and fuel efficiency. It also noted that the car offers good visibility, a comfortable ride and a good amount of legroom. Combined MPG, 28. City MPG, 24. Highway MPG, 34. Starting MSRP, $55,900. The highest priced car on this list is the Alfa Romeo 4C Coupe, narrowly beating the Porsche Cayman. The base coupe trim comes with a turbocharged engine, premium aluminum wheels and manual twin-clutch transmission. What the reviewers say, KBB liked the agility and light feel of the Alfa Romeo 4C, singling out its style for praise but not its driver or passenger comfort. Combined MPG, 28. City MPG, 25. Highway MPG, 34. Starting MSRP, $27,200. The 2016 Scion FRS comes with automatic transmission, though you could save a little more money by going with a manual transmission, Bluetooth streaming audio and hands-free phone calling, and convenient backup camera. What the reviewers say, KBB admired the car's agility, but not its overall speed or power. The review notes that the car is particularly fun to drive. Combined MPG, 28. City MPG, 25. Highway MPG, 34. Starting MSRP, $27,395. Because the Subaru BRZ is a sports car, it departs from the typical Subaru in that it has rear-wheel drive instead of all-wheel drive. Also, you'll have to shell out a few extra bucks to buy the more expensive, but more fuel-efficient, limited trim. If you try to save cash on the MSRP and choose the base premium trim with manual transmission, your gas mileage drops from 34 to 30 highway MPG and 25 to 22 city MPG. What the reviewers say, Edmunds.com liked the feel and responsiveness of the steering, the excellent fuel efficiency with the automatic transmission and the comfortable seating. On the negative side, it has a small back seat and trunk, and the automatic transmission is somewhat lacking in acceleration. Combined MPG, 30. City MPG, 26. Highway MPG, 35. Starting MSRP, $24,995. The 2017 Fiat 124 Spider gets great gas mileage and is the cheapest car on this list. The base Classica trim comes standard with 6-speed manual transmission and i4 turbo engine, though small with a displacement of 1.4 liter. Convenient standard features include keyless entry, push-button ignition, and Bluetooth radio. What the reviewers say: KBB liked the 2017 Fiat Spider, in part because it marks a change from the company's Fiat 500 models. KBB liked the Spider's similarities in feel, power, and driving enjoyment to the Mazda Miata. Combined MPG, 30. City MPG, 27. Highway MPG, 36. Starting MSRP, $26,395. The 2016 Mazda MX-5 Miata Sport manages to be one of the best sports cars while still being the third cheapest vehicle on this list. The Miata ranks the highest for combined MPG and comes with several great standard features, including remote keyless entry and Bluetooth hands-free calling. What the reviewers say: KBB singled out the MX-5 Miata's quickness and nimble handling for making a fun ride, but highlighted the redesign and refined interior as the Mazda's best quality. On the downside, KBB knocked it for its limited passenger seating and lack of power.